This helicopter, this aeroplane, see how it is made. Engine of aeroplane. The engine turbofan. This one, this is also is the engine turbofan. Engine turbofan. So this is called this teaching all the things. This is how it operates. So they show you how it begins. You understand? All helicopter aeroplane system, we have it here. So you can see here aircraft fire. This is for fire extinguishers. Okay? For training.